Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to download the official Windows 11 ISO file. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. Okay, so what you're going to do is just go ahead over to the URL box. Now type down download Windows 11. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for the results to load, and once that's done, go ahead and click on the first search result, which is from Microsoft.com software download. Okay, just click on it. Now once done, go ahead and scroll down. Okay, scroll all the way down, and then click on this drop down where it says select download. Just click on it and just click on Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for x64 devices. Now go ahead and click on this right arrow key. Read the notes, and once done, click on confirm. It says here validating your request. Now go ahead and select the product language. Let's say I'm just going to go ahead and download English, United States. Then I'm going to hit on confirm. Now click on download Windows 11 English right here, 64-bit. Okay, and here we have the download page. So just click on save it wherever you want, and just wait for it to fully download. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to download the official Windows 11 ISO file. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.